Right, what's going on, traders? Another day, another week. We're always here to stay on top of the markets. What's going on? What's happening? We're gonna cover all of that. And we're just coming from a weekend, and Mondays are usually low volume. And we were actually expecting a little bit of um, dumpy price action, and that's exactly what we are seeing. As always, Mondays are relatively bearish historically as well. And if we will get a bearish Monday, this means that there is a lot of uncertainty and no buying pressure whatsoever. So again, we're gonna cover BTC, ETH, and Solana today, as always, and gonna dive a bit more into the um, Wisdomize platform as well. As you can see, as you know already, we launched AutoTrader, which is a Solana-based trading bot that helps you to stay top of the markets, and the social radar is always here to help you get the best alpha that's on the market. With this being said, also you're more than welcome to join our Telegram community that's running 24/7 basically. Lots of good people there talking crypto, staying on top of the markets. I am also there, and yeah, you're more than welcome to come and join. But now let's dive into the market. BTC, as you can see, we are trading in this. Like I would say, a ranging market downwards, ranging market. We had this initial retest from 95,000 region, and now we are actually creating daily low 79,743 in this moment. There is not much volatility going on, and every single small pump is being sold off, and this usually means that we're going to see another red candle. At least that's based on my own experience. And if you think about it, this piece of price action is definitely bearish, in my opinion, at least. Like you can see that there was a lower low, then a retest, and now we're creating another lower low. So a bullish scenario for me would be that we will create a bullish candle or multiple candles, then make a retest of this range, and we can continue. But when it's gonna happen, I don't know. The signs are there that we are going to see this at some point, but we can range quite a bit, and that's exactly what I personally think, and I mentioned this already many times. So I believe that this box of price action will be filled with a ranging price action, something like this, and then we are most likely to continue up in April. April is the time that I personally feel we're going to see some bullish price action in between. So until that, it's going to be very hard to trade the market, and there is probably not going to get a lot of upward moves. As you can see, every single pump is being sold off, and consolidation following after. So you can see that there on Solana, we have a lot of liquidations. You don't even have to know where the liquidations are. It's just all these extreme price actions. So the next buying zone for Solana is 110. That's exactly the point when all the uh, short sellers are being liquidated. There is a lot of liquidity here, and a lot of volatility will be um, also taking place here, because all the new buyers buying orders are below this low. All the liquidations of short sellers of long buyers are also here, and there is a lot of breakout traders and a lot of people who see this as potential good opportunity to buy the market with 175% upside to this cycle high being on up for grabs potentially. But obviously, we don't know how it's gonna end if we will get here. So we probably will need some time to create any sort of price action that's going to guide us to the next destination. Whether it's gonna be lower, I don't know. And you have to really be open to any sort of price action. There is no right or wrong answer, and no one really knows where the market is going. But I mean, based on that as well, like we have. Um, Taken out this trend line on ETH as well, so it's not really looking good. There is the key support levels on all the majors. They have been taken out, and given that the stock market is also really, really weak, I potentially think that there is going to be much more pain ahead short term. Long term, I can see the market's going to recover, but when it's going to recover, this also remains to be seen. But for now, it does not really look good for the crypto market, and it's more likely to stay in a downwards trend, in my opinion. And BTC dominance also very uh, range basically. So we really want to go to wisdomize intelligence to see what's happening there. Like there is absolutely nothing you can do about the fact that the market is going down. Majority of the time, what you need to do is just wait until some sort of bullish confirmation will take place. This would be a major event or a major like upwards pump or change of BTC dominance going to the downside impulsively and aggressively. But this is probably not going to be the case in the nearest future. So all we got to do is to wait and really not do anything stupid in between while we're waiting for this opportunity. So it's better to stay out of the market rather than just accumulate, because when you see the market will evolve in price action, you will be obviously top of the game. It's going to be very obvious sign, and you will have a lot of time to to get in at still very good price. But for now, it's just a matter of guessing where the bottom is, and this we really don't know where the bottom is and when it's going to recover. So in my opinion, the best way to do right now is to do absolutely nothing. So there's times in the market when you have to be long, when you have to be short, and times when you have to take time off, go touch some grass, and go fishing. I would say, but now if you don't want to go fishing, then the only thing to do is to probably short the market in the short term. So few more weeks, I believe that it's gonna last, if not longer. But I think we're gonna see some relief soon because the altcoin index is also at all-time low, and there is not much to be liquidated on the downside. So now we just have to take some longs on board and liquidate them. So I believe there is gonna be some sort of like recovery rally, but when it's gonna happen, it's gonna be incredibly hard to to guess and to predict. But even social radar doesn't really give you any any clues about new cryptos. I mean, there is absolutely no strength in the current market, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. So the best way to do here is just do nothing. And yeah. I don't personally trade anything. It's just too early. I'm not trying to pick the bottom. I'm already in some positions that are in drawdown, and I'm not going to enter so much more. So if we just take the technical radar, obviously there are a lot of bullish confirmations on RSI and MACD, but honestly, in this kind of market, nothing really can confirm anything. So technicals, they don't work. There's nothing going on, and there is nothing you can do about it that it doesn't really work. So you can obviously accumulate slowly, taking three to like small positions per day, accumulating at cheaper prices, only quality assets that are most likely do well. But for now, it just I'm taking some time off, just doing these market overviews and hanging with you guys in the community. But yeah, I really don't want to share any trade ideas because there is no liquidity in the market, and we need to find a better sort of market environment to really take advantage of the prices. So that's it from me today. Just study and make plans for when the new wave is gonna come, but don't try to predict when it's gonna happen because no one really knows. That's it from me today. Have a good one. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.